Learning a new language can be overwhelming, but setting small and achievable goals can make the process more manageable and keep you motivated. Focus on a few key phrases or vocabulary words each day and gradually build your proficiency over time. One of the best ways to master a new language is to immerse yourself in it as much as possible. Listen to music in the language, watch TV shows or movies with subtitles, and read books or articles. This will not only improve your comprehension, but also help you with pronunciation and natural speech patterns. While studying grammar and vocabulary is important, practicing speaking and listening skills is crucial for mastering a new language. Seek out a language exchange partner or attend language classes to practice conversation skills. Utilize apps or online resources that offer speaking and listening exercises to improve your proficiency.
Mastering a new language is a long-term process that requires patience and persistence. Stay motivated by celebrating small achievements, such as mastering a new verb tense or successfully ordering food in a restaurant. Remember that progress takes time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your language learning goals.